Good morning, everyone. In first chapter, vital statistic, we are going to move on for next topic, fertility. So, previous classes till now we were seeing mortality and measures of mortality. Same thing we are going to see in fertility also. What are the measures? Now, moving on to the meaning. Meaning of fertility. Fertility refers to the births occurring to women of childbearing age. Now, what is this childbearing age? So, we are going to see women's age between 15 and 49. Okay, this is called the childbearing age, where the females are bearing the child between 15 to 49 years, and also called as germination period. Okay, it is called as germination period. So the age bearing of a woman 15 to 49 years, that is a period where they can have fertility and childbirth. So this meaning may be asked for 1 mark. If they ask for 1 mark, you will write this meaning. That is, fertility refers to the births occurring to women of childbearing. Okay, in the bracket write 15 to 49 years. If you write so much, it is for 1 mark. Next, moving on to fecundity. What is fecundity? It refers to the capacity. The word capacity is very important here. The capacity of a woman to bear child. It is the maximum fertility level that can be attempted. Okay, the word capacity is very important. Even this may be asked for 1 mark. Next, moving on to measures of fertility. How we saw in the mortality, same thing it will be in the fertility. First one is crew birth rate. Here you will be writing as CBR. In the question, they will not ask full forms, they will be asking in short forms. So be thorough with the short forms. Don't get confused with CDR and CBR. First one is crew birth rate. Next, general fertility rate. Next, age specific fertility rate. Then total fertility rate. Then crew, it is total. General, where it is generally covered, okay, with the datas. Age specific fertility rate. Okay, age means between the group. What is the age? 0 to 9, for example. Then 15 to 20, that age specimen. Then total fertility is where you will be seeing total, going on with all. Now we'll move on to first measures. First one, first, crew birth rate. Moving to that one, meaning it is simplest method of measuring fertility. Okay, it is the first basic one. So it is the simplest method where we will take a random. We are not going to take age specific or something. We are going to do randomly. It is defined as the average number of live births occurring to 1,000 individuals in a year. So always your database will be 1,000. Comparison will be 1,000. For mortality also we were taking 1,000, and for birth also we will be taking 1,000. So it is the simplest method where we don't need to calculate what is the age group or what. Only with the total we are going to do the solution. Now we are going to use the formula for everything. Each and everything formula will be there. Here CBR, that is your crew birth rate, is equals to number of live births in a year. Okay, what is it? Total number of live births or whatever data is available with that live births divided by average population in the year. So data what they give us it in the question. So average population in the year into 1,000. Now to keep this formula memorized, we will use this short formula. CBR is equals to B divided by P into 1,000. So B refers to your birth during the year, P refers to your average population. But when you are writing in the exam, you should write this elaborated. The first one is right. First formula you should write elaboratedly. For your memorization, in the textbook they are given the simplest formula. Now with this we will move on to your practicals. Before that we will go with merits and demerits. So merits, what it, if one day if a topic is there, obviously there will be a merits and demerits. So first we will go to merit. It is simple to understand and easy to calculate. It is very simple. Okay, where in the question direct data will be given or table will be given. It is very simple and easy to understand for calculation. Next, it does not need detailed information for computation. Okay, it does not need detailed information. Okay, where you need to specifically find out the age, or only with full data or primary secondary data, it is not detailed information is not required. It indicates the rate of growth of population due to live birth. So this is one of the method where they do for calculation of population. Next, demerits. Going for demerits, when the merits is there, obviously demerits will be there, right? So going for demerits, it ignores the age and sexual composition of the people. So what it is ignoring? It is ignoring age. Between this age and what is the sex composition also, it has been ignored in the population, where even men or women population also is considered in some cases. Next, it takes both men and women population into consideration, where average population means they should be taken only women, but in some cases even men population also will be added for your total average population. So that is one demerit here. It cannot be used to compare birth rates of two or more population. So this is primary data and it can be used for single population, whereas it cannot be used to or more population. Comparison it will not be taken, and age specimen it will not be compared. So it is very difficult. For a simple and easy calculation, this one we can use as a crew birth rate. Now moving on to your problems. Okay, I will read questions first, then solutions I will give it in the video. Now moving on for the first problem. The average population of a city in a year was 4,80,500. If there were 10,420 births, compute crew birth rate. So this is the question goes like this, and they're given data, that is live birth is 10,420 and the average population is 4,80,500. Okay, this is the data. Solutions I will be giving in the video. Second question. This is the, see, first question is your direct information, okay, where they are given total birth and total population average. Now this is the table form problem. Compute CBR for the following data. First is age group, then population, live births. So this is how is the data available for this question. So 0 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 49, 50 and above. Your population is 10,000, 11,000, 17,000 and again 11,000. Your live births are 40, 400, 852. So keeping this here, we will take live birth total, then population total and divide it. Next, moving on to your third problem. So data available is here. Age group, male population, female population and birth. So third problem you people will solve. I will send you one photo for this. In the video last I will attach it. So you will be doing your third problem, where you will add male population and female population and take it as a average. Next, your fourth problem, it is in the down. In a given year, the CBR for a population is 2 lakhs, is 40. Find the number of birth. Here what they are given CBR, that is crew birth rate, they are given directly as 40 and population they are given as 2 lakhs. We need to find out birth, that is live birth numbers. This problem I have done. So I will see you in the fertility. Under fertility, the first measure is crude birth rate, that is CBR. The first problem we will go on. Okay. Data given is given for this. Live birth, that is 10,420. Then average population. So this is the data given for us, that is average population is 4,80,500 is your average population. So keeping this formula we will be using CBR is equals to number of live births in year divided by average population in a year into 1000. See, for CBR here we will be taking death. For CBR here we will be taking on live births. So this is the difference. So when they are CBR it is on mortality. When they are CBR it is on fertility. So your live birth was 10,420 divided by 4,80,500 into 1000. Here you will get 0.021 into 1000. CBR is equals to 21.69. So this is your CBR for your first problem. So when the data was given simple, so this is the method you will be doing it. Second problem with the table. So table we will draw here. Second problem, age group, zero to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 49, 50 and above. Next is your population. 10,000, 11,000, 17,000, again 11,000. Then your live birth, it is 40, 400, 852. So this is the table which is there in the question. Last problem, the total weight given, total live birth and total population were given. Here they are given in the age group. So separately they are given as per ages. So totally here first, total you will get 49,000 and 1,292. Now keeping this CBR. CBR is equals to number of live birth in a year divided by average population in a year into 1000. So this is the formula where we will be using. Your live birth is 1 to 92 divided by 49,000 into 1000. That is equals to, if people write it down, I don't have space here. So when you use calculator, use calci and divide it, to CBR is equals to 26.37 is your CBR. So when table is given, people will add everything, then use the formula and divide it CBR. Okay, third problem is similar to your second problem. You can try out. I am going to the fourth problem because their CBR is given and they have asked us to find out number of live birth. So in this case, formula we will write first. So given fourth problem, given CBR that is 40, then population is 2 lakh. This is what data given for us. Now moving on to the formula, CBR is equals to number of live births in a year divided by average population in a year into 1000. So this is the formula. We have a CBR and average population. So substitute that one. 40 is equals to number of live births in a year divided by 2 lakhs into 1000. So first cancel these 3 zeros. You will get a 200. Bring this 200 this side. So here 40 into 200 is the number of live birth. So therefore live births is equals to 8,000. So when they give interchange, when they give data, okay, CBR is given, you can use the formula and interchange the numbers. So you will get live birth. So this is your fertility. This is under fertility CBR problem. Okay. Till here is the CBR completes. So first problem where total data was given. Next is where table were given. Next is where we found out number of live births keeping CBR. Thank you for the day. In the video continuation, the fourth problem will not been fully seen. So this is your fourth problem full. Okay. So calculation will go like this. Yeah, your first problem, when data is given, total, okay, total live birth and total population is given, you will use the simple formula and we will solve it out, okay, when total is given. Now moving on to your second problem, where table is given for you people and they've asked us to find out CBR. So individual group wise they will be given the population and live birth. So total we will do and we will find out CBR. Next, your fourth problem. Your third problem is similar to your second problem, so you people can solve it. Moving to your fourth problem, where CBR is given and they asked us to find out a live birth, okay. So this is how you will be doing it. Same formula, you will substitute CBR and you will get live birth. So this is a fertility CBR topic. So here your CBR ends, and next I will move on to the next measure. Thank you for the day.